Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a water effect in 3ds Max. Uh, and I'm basically just using a terrain map that I had made from a prior video. And it's basically just using a Minecraft style aesthetic. And you can make a cool water effect like this. So yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, let's get started. Um, just gonna bring this back to 0 and get rid of this so we can start from the beginning. So yeah, very simply, the first thing you want to do is get a plane. So click on plane, go to top view, and then just make however big you want this water to cover essentially. So I want maybe around that size is what I want. And I'm going to just simply drag this fella up a bit. So yeah, just bring it however high you want it to be. I want it to be around this high, potentially. And go to modify, and then you can simply just edit how big you want this. So if I just want it to be that much, and then maybe the width is a little bit bigger. There you go, something like that. Maybe I'll just move it this way a bit more. Yeah, cool. And the next thing you can do is change the color as well. So, water color. So I want this. And also the segments. So you want to make sure these segments are pretty high. As you can see, mine is around 400 plus value. And this is because we want the plane to manipulate itself, or the geometries to do the whole wavy thing of what waters do, right? Because if you have a value that's too low, it's not really going to do very much, but you'll see in a minute anyway. So let's see, let's add a noise modifier. So this noise modifier is quite important for creating this noise effect, as you will notice very soon. So let's first tick the fractal button, and once you've done that, head over to the Z value here under strength, and then just up that up to however high you want, or however intense you want this wave to be. So I want this to be around maybe 5, right? And I'll show you how it looks like if you bring it up even higher. So if you go higher, it will end up looking like it's out in the ocean or something, right? But I'm not really out in the ocean, so I'm going to, it's just a lake, so I'm just going to bring that down to maybe 4.5. I think that's pretty good for me, nice and calm, right? Because it's a lake. Yeah, and then once you've done that, hit the animate noise button, and this will help you do the whole wavy effect and play that whole thing like I showed before. And then obviously the frequency is how often you want this to be, going up and down, I suppose. But I'm going to leave it as default. So I'm pretty happy with that. And then the next thing you want to do is go to what's it called again? It's called, yeah, relax. That's right, relax. And then yes, let's turn this up to number 1. Yeah, and then if you play this, it will do exactly what I showed you before. There you go. Look at that. Nice. Obviously, I'm not really texturing this water because I'm going with the whole Minecraft aesthetic, but you can obviously do that as well if you want. So if you want to do that, just simply click on the geometry and press M, and then you can just apply a water texture onto this plane, and then it will give you that realistic water effect that you want. But yeah, apart from that, that is all I have for this video. Thank you very much.